Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. We have a meat slinger being built right now, and this meat slinger is immediately available for the first come, first serve with the deposit down, 50%. Go to gatorpit.net, get the pricing and more details on this, other videos and photos. But this is a meat slinger hybrid, 36 size, 5 meat racks. It does have the additional 5th meat rack, and it will have a birdhouse stack. It's got drip bars up front. It does have the grease pan, heat shields, Pellet Pro hopper, and it will have the 1/4-inch thick square firebox that will mount right there, along with 6-inch casters and swivels and brakes, along with Gator Pit gauges and stainless steel cool touch handles. Again, first come, first serve. We'll get this cooker. It'll be probably ready to paint first of next week and available to go out the following week. So within 2 weeks, this will be available. Guys, don't wait. Get it now. This one is available, and it will not last long. They never do once I post these videos. Gatorpit.net, 713-896-0144. Call me.